Join me as I dive into the latest FI stock analysis and try to predict where it's headed next. FI stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. Its recent performance has been quite volatile, leaving many to wonder what's next for this stock. As we take a closer look, it's clear that FI is a critical topic for investors right now, with many trying to make sense of its sudden fluctuations. One of the main challenges facing FI stock is market volatility. We're seeing a lot of ups and downs in the market, and FI is no exception. The stock has been experiencing some pretty wild swings, which can be unsettling for investors. On top of that, company-specific issues have also been a concern. There have been some questions raised about FI's financial health and management team, which has led to some skepticism among investors. These challenges have definitely had an impact on FI's performance. The stock has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride, with some investors jumping on board and others jumping off. It's been a tough time to navigate, but that's exactly why we're here, to break it down and try to make sense of it all. Market trends have also been a factor, with some experts predicting a downturn and others a resurgence. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. FI's latest financial reports have been mixed, with some positives and some negatives. Revenue is up, but profits are down. That's a bit of a red flag, but it's not the whole story. Expert opinions are also divided, with some seeing FI as a long-term play and others as a short-term risk. One key factor to consider is the overall market trend. We're seeing a lot of uncertainty right now, with trade tensions and economic concerns weighing on investors' minds. That uncertainty is definitely reflected in FI's stock price. Another factor is the company's financials, which have been a bit of a concern. Debt is high, and investors are worried about the company's ability to pay it down. So, what's the most significant insight or prediction regarding FI stock's future performance? Well, based on the trends and numbers, it seems like FI is at a crossroads. If the company can get its financials in order and show some steady growth, we could see a resurgence in the stock price. But if things continue on their current trajectory, we could see a decline. In terms of specific predictions, some experts are calling for a short-term downturn, while others see a long-term opportunity. It's a tough call, but one thing's for sure, FI stock is definitely one to watch in the coming months. To recap, we've discussed the current challenges facing FI stock, including market volatility and company-specific issues. We've also analyzed the key factors affecting the stock, including financial reports and expert opinions. So, what do you think about FI stock? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about stock market trends, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be diving into the latest developments and what they mean for investors.